Hi guys, this is IIL02. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm gonna show you an unboxing of a package that I received from Instagram. Mali. So today, I'm gonna show you the unboxing of Beats Solo 3 wireless headset. So before anything else, this is something that I did not purchase. So luckily, I won a competition on Instagram. This is hosted by Arvin Mobile Accessories and Mobile Accessories. So Arvin, you can find them on Instagram at Arvin Mobile Store, and they are actually a legit seller of JBL, Bose, and also of course Beats and JC Pal, and also they are a wholesaler of Apple products. So I visited their storeroom in Al Musalla Road in Deira, Dubai. And guys, really, Arvin, thank you so much for this Beats Solo 3. And yeah, let's do the unboxing. So here, guys. So here it is. You open the box, it has something. It's written as change the way you hear sound. So it's actually the tagline of Beats. And here it is. Ta-da! This is actually where the headset is inside, but let's first check what's inside the box. So we're gonna pull this out. And this is the oops, sorry. So this is what's inside the box. I'm gonna show it one by one because it's falling. So first of all, of course, in every accessory or gadgets we buy, there is a manual, Beats manual. So I'm gonna try to read it. So of course, charger cord, and so you see it's wireless, but they provided a cord for okay, this is the for telephone. I mean microphone. So ayan. Anyways, I can put it back together here. And a small hook for this one, so that you can bring the whole headset with you every time. Now, let's go to the main thing. See, Beats. And here it is. So this is my Beats Solo 3. So Beats Solo 3 is actually it's wireless, and also this is this product lasts for 40 hours, and it's fast fuel gas, as they note, because 5 minutes of charging of this is a 3 hours play, meaning just charging it for 5 minutes and you can still use your wireless Beats for 3 hours. So still, and the color that I got is rose gold with white ears. So eto siya. So this is the on button. This is the on button. And here is where you can put the microphone as well, and the charger itself. So ayan siya. So guys, rose gold, it's really nice and slick. The finish is so slick. So this comes with different colors. It has citrus red, club yellow, club red, matte black, navy blue, and satin silver and satin gold. But this one is already good for me because it's rose gold and it's really classic. So guys, again, thank you Arvin for giving me this Beats Solo 3. And if you will check the retail price of this is not cheap at all, guys. So thank you again, Arvin Mobile and Accessories. I'm gonna use my Beats Solo 3. Bye! Yes.